you definitely made the contact in Nebraska. Radio Canada. 348, happy holidays to you and yours, and we will see 73s, and we will be off of this key.
All right, 348, and just over you, I heard Radio Canada 88. This is 301, North Carolina. Radio Canada 88. This is 301, North Carolina.
301, North Carolina, making a fine trip, 5759 into the city of Winnipeg this afternoon. Thanks for the wave back, man. Do appreciate that. 301, North Carolina, RTA. I opened up a can of worms on the East Coast.
You got it, Radio Canada 88. You got it, 348. This is 301, North Carolina. Stepping back over to the side, 73s.